Well, welcome back to Double Kidney. Today I'll show you one of my absolutely favorite dishes. It's an Italian recipe and it's called pollo alla cacciatora. There's some chicken breast, one of the best sources of high quality protein, great for a kidney-friendly diet. And then there is some red bell pepper, one of the best vegetables for your health. All the ingredients are low in phosphorus, potassium and sodium. I've carefully replaced all the unhealthy ingredients from the original recipe, so you won't find this particular recipe anywhere else. I have selected only the best ingredients. This is gonna be great for your daily renal diet. So yes, this is suitable for your kidney diet and it also tastes great. Let's start! The ingredients we will use are half a lemon. We will also use a bit of zest, 1 red bell pepper, chili pepper, rosemary, 200 grams of chicken breast, 3 cloves of garlic, green olives, white wine, extra virgin olive oil. First, let's get some fresh rosemary to use in our recipe. Let's wash the bell pepper and lemon. Then we'll wash the green olives. We now cut the chicken into bits. And then we will cut the pepper by removing the white part and all the seeds. And we slice it. We remove the peel of the garlic. Grate the lemon rind. Pour the olive oil into a saucepan. Pour the garlic and mix. Pour the chicken breast and mix. Add the rosemary. Add the chili pepper and mix. Add the zest of lemon. Squeeze half a lemon and lower the heat. Mix everything a little and add the pieces of bell pepper. Pour the white wine. Cover the saucepan and lower the heat. Mix everything until the wine is completely absorbed. Add the olives. Mix everything. Turn off the burner. The dish is ready. Enjoy your meal!